Turn on the power switch. Turn on the ignition switch. The instrument panel lights up. The voltmeter lights up. Twist the ignition switch. The instrument panel changes. The fuel injection lamp flashes. The voltmeter changes. Step on the accelerator. The speed of the instrument panel changes. The vacuum gauge changes. The voltmeter changes. The flashing frequency of the fuel injection lamp changes. The engine is working. Turn off the ignition switch. Turn off the power switch. Operation completed. Please note that, under high temperature and working conditions, do not touch the exhaust pipe. Do not touch the fan. Do not open the cooling kettle. Do not touch the track. Do not touch the radiator. Demonstrate the function of the terminal. Turn on the ignition switch. Adjust the multimeter to the voltage range. Connect any terminal. The multimeter displays voltage. The demonstration is complete. Turn off the ignition switch. Next, demonstrate the fault setting. Take fault number 1 as an example. The fault is here. Turn on the ignition switch. Start the engine. The injector works normally. Turn on the fault switch. The indicator light goes out. The engine starts to shake. Press the fault switch to restore the fault. The engine works normally. The demonstration is complete. Turn off the ignition switch. Next, perform OBD diagnosis. Turn on the ignition switch. Connect the OBD diagnostic connector. Select the corresponding brand and model. Scan the device. Select the corresponding system. Read the fault code. Operation completed. Disconnect. Turn off the ignition switch. Demonstration completed. Check the oil level in the device. The oil level should be kept between these 2 points.